Xposed. I want something that is also interesting because Primaries here also were NPP, maybe also were NDC more balo.
From June 2026, division be about see what NDC mono. Say almost here the party will survive.
2 years as general secretary, me name chairman. And near my DFM and tro and some winning Ghana has a idea a higher and it be a friend slash and bear. Say you beat me a chatro at Tuni Pasonia said on your Pomataria show. Ram.
I comment upon Wabreye. Make I say before the 2000 election, me a jingle bim was City Rock or soup. Papa met time to lose a Wabreye. But I never come upon a year who said other party in the pie. Prior to the 2024 election, and it was yet in the Coton Nabusiana. I say I will still work for the NPP. Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Bamboo. Subscribe, share. Me the 2 man now on Sa Akabi. NDC, the races is warming up. Mikai. NDC, nobody on 9 months in office, but it looks like people at the horse have started circling around the throne. And Rama said, "Your mama and one want to be go beam." So they started circling. And last 2 weeks, me chief of staff, Deborah. No, okay, Miss Eradi. Power engineer for talking, and no teaching him, no bossy, me say, hi, bro. Oh, I general, so what's a me, thank you, talk, don't so now, key, General Mosquito. Now, when you let you know, film ladies say, you have more tricks.
Xposed. Now, something that is also interesting because Primaries here also were NPP, maybe also were NDC more, but low key. Down low key. I still don't get you to thank you, though. And I know, coach video. I'm quite phone now. I'm so about. The same get an got fan of Kobons ahead. As on chairman, dear, as on general secretary, dear, and as on presidential, one cast better part. Omo the amme say don't get just BAB. Primaries so cost NDC mu, but campaign omo you be declare no. Because I be my Julius everybody president Mama Chia, even I will you and her. Omo ko fan the supporters be share no hotel. I am more than a UN one. No mudine chino chat obra. He's already in presidential mode. Julius Zebra is already in presidential mode. Masa. I said you get also change Julius Zebra to bra. Who the agentia? And yet Suli yana they are about me be your ginger or UN. Memenam wood for wood. Rural areas. I am going to the ground. They say don't get also in rural areas or convince grassroots for no. Because they say it's not only about the money, and the practical check who say it shouldn't always be about the money. Musa Dankwa research or it confirms the Dr. Domfe, University of Ghana. Right now, on the ground in NDC, is leading. He's a favorite. But all the back on general, that's different. Into not preliminary polls. All they call one year World Cup, I must have made a mistake. And Musa Dankwadiano, how Drisu and LED. And I think rightfully so. Look, you're sharing this in one. The most qualified, even before BBR. I like Julius Zebra, mini papa any day, any time. Mini Julius Zebra from way back into Eastern region, before Eastern region chairman. I like him. He's my favorite. But I'm saying, if you are being plainly objective, the most experienced and the most qualified Haruna Drisu. Kobusa Haruna Drisu ni nooks for shenanigans from University of Ghana 1995, 1996. They were able to shut down the entire academic calendar. Not that I'm saying they are good, but this is somebody who has been fighting for ODBA, fighting for students. And Haruna Drisu on your profligate on shutdown and one who be a shutdown who slow but sure. I think on the score of experience there, Haruna Drisu will be. But that is not to say that I may compare Haruna Drisu to a student because a student there, he's classless. He's in the class of his own. A student there, or this Mugabe, or no only class. And I Haruna Drisu grammate no nti. Because Haruna Drisu is the most qualified. I say to get chanka because the student get category they do Haruna Drisu carry. But again, the student get experience. It's not in the presidency. Student get any experience in the presidency. You see. And a banner say Obia 1 year long time a year grooming noir. And if you look at President Mahama, you know, there are then we have a Bruce to say, oh, you're not now. And you see from Baumia, Northern region, from the northern sector, not northern region, exactly, northern sector. Mahama, northern sector. Who shot analysis, not devoid of any tribal sentiments, no bigotry. But I'm just saying, it is very difficult that the voters will take the presidency back to the northern sector because we've had two. For your fact about me and my Ekufuado Baye or your vice president cry, he was part of the presidency, so it was still in the northern sector of Ghana. Mahama Swaba still in the northern sector of Ghana through Savannah. It is very unlikely, say 2028, never come back. What that's the thing that is working against Haruna Dusu. By a Kadiakana and Haruna Dusu is the most experienced outside the Sedun Ketia. Bayera Julio Debraso has turned himself into a darling boy. He's turned himself into a darling boy straight up, and he's pushing. It's whoever NDC then a banner. That person is coming to face the MPP for the Nebeba. And look at MPP.
I didn't start to say, Boba, Sana, Tia, Boba, Sana, Basade, Besima. Share Mamika Bibincho. Me catch him will say, Yerajo Mahama, our problem at hand. When you're 2025, you know 2026. Now, my career from June 2026, division me about see what NDC mono. So all my here the party won't survive. I'm telling you. Division me about see what NDC mono. Me say all my mom and all my here NDC won't survive. Because a first timer, a certain president, about wanted 4-year term. And it's also the first timer, whoever the NDC presents will be a first-time vote candidate. Apart from you, John Mahama, anything that America said, before John Mahama, who was NDC what preparing? Apart from John Mahama. Ebimu said, Julius Debra, fine gentleman, by our standards. But who knows Yera Julius Debra beyond politics? Exp0sed is a seasoned politician, but he has too much baggage around him. The way he talks, Nancy the man who said, or Sane Kasa, Ono Kokache, he said, any fool can go to court, no. The way he acts as if he's what, an autocratic person, Ghana form person. Then the posture during elections, Nancy na Okaba could be a whole project, but near see any no Kasa, Mudisia, you become. Ghanaians don't like that. The last one is the break down project. Baby of cotton blocks my Ghana, no corruption. And he has a whole lot of baggage around him. Now, Adia Bakua Sabi, about Quintiano, the physical appearance. I said, look at here, or slim by nature. One so, was a coat and white them, was a full crowd and then the white double. Ghana for by some well be known, yapa fine man kakra, yapa gaga kakra, yapa bema na new nyam no kwasro kakra. I said, already nyam ya farmer, no nyam man again, but I know they are farmer. So for Exp0sed to become a president, he needs to defy all the odds. Remember, while was standing for all the time on the ticket of the NDC, but beyond the NDC, or come into the political realm national, can he attract the floating voters? And that's a question. The posture, demeanor, and the appearance, can he attract the floating voters? Or when decided whether to vote for NPP or NDC? Can he? I don't know. Yeah. Kwabena Agyapong, I a former General Secretary of NPP, or Chair Niamo Komu before he was exiled. You go to Imra.
Na me kwa se ma to me na da wi amoka me tro bi se ichichirim kakra. Me be General Secretary, ye to aba ma me pa watermale. Me ko tamale minya accident anyankopon ti ne me tiase. Me nsemu bu pain. Yeah. As say dade edeshim. Ensuso eda no mitimi yire me ho sre nyame maame ahode mam timi kopie tamale na me pagya me sese man kasa bo na beda 37 back. Wow. E to aba maame. In my 2 years as General Secretary, me na chairman. Eniema e die fam entro ensemu enim Ghana has ade e hayen. ɛne biribi obroni frɛ no slash and burn sɛ yɛbɛtumi atwa toro ato nipa so ne yɛasɛe no ne apam atare ahyɛ wo wowura nworɔ na me no party no donti no that time no kora mankasa ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ deɛ ɛsiiɛ no na mepɛ wo me nneɛma menim wɔ party mu na meka sɛ mene mpanimfoɔ no nyinaa nante mpanimfoɔ biara ni hɔ so a ɔnni me wɔ party mu nneɛma wɔ mutumi de bi bɛkɔ wuo to just to protect the party sɛ meyɛ ɔmo ɛkasakasa by heart sɛ mebie ma no Ghana ha se a kɛnya asɛm ketewa nanso so ntete pa a papa de tete me ne mampanin kufoɔ no ne BJ Darocha ne mpanimfoɔ a me ne ɔmo nanteɛ no kyerɛ sɛ you have to protect the elephant ntimi deɛ ɛkɔbaa ne sɛ yɛkɔ keka nsɛm a ɛnim just because me strengthen party me ma fam no all politics is local ntimi ka sɛ constituencies no na ɛsɛ mo nya ahoɔden ntimi ka kyerɛ me chairman Afoko at the time say chairman yɛnhwɛ na yɛ make sure say you strengthen constituencies no ɔsɛ yɛnkɔ so you can say every constituency emi account adentra because me di president Kofo Ekyikyɛ no da bia ɔno odi nkɔmmɔ no ɔtwa ɔma humor ɔsɛ kwabran sika politics sika o de sma ɛfa we nsɛm na fa we nsɛm ba ha hwɛ a ɛfrɛ bi handling charges wa hwɛ ya ba time ɛsɛ kodu bi nasa dimi yɛsɛ no ma bɛ general secretary de yɛ make sure sɛ sika ɛde kɔ constituencies no ɛsɛ kɔ direct ne nyɛ nipa 9 a ɔmo yɛ signatories chairman secretary treasurer no for baba konka most of them were women organizers me yeah the first 10,000 kuma ɔmo apena a man for tears wetua because ne binum feel say ɔmo na da regional no ntino ɛsɛ bia ma ɔmo ansa nam se da bi de ɛsɛ de bremo a mo de bɛhwɛ mo dwuma yɛ de bɛbrɛ mo nanso constituencies no ɛhɔ na ahoɔden no wɔ ɛhɔ na party no electoral area coordinators wɔ ɛhɔ na polling station ɛhɔ na adwumaden ɔmo na nanam fie mbobɔ dan mu ɛbobɔ posters ɛyɛ adwumaden de ama party no ɛna kyɛ sɛ wobɛte sɛ yɛbɛ suspend way chairman Afoko a nkurɔfoɔ yɛ sɛ yɛtu na adeɛ so ɛdeɛ bɔne pa na ɔyɛ up to now sɛ yɛaba power 8 years matwam ɔmo a ne accuse yɛn sɛ yɛyɛ ɛdeɛ bɔne na ɔno yɛ ɔno po deɛ mɛfa ne sɛ ɔkɔ yɛnka nsɛm angu no so na me deɛ ɔmo nim sɛ party foɔ pɛ ma asɛm nti yɛnsɛ me sɛbi me mpanimu a mabɔ bra wɔ Ghana ha ansa na yɛ papawa ne masi mi dan wɔ East Lagos nyɛ nnɛ anamafo a ne ɔmanya sika ɔmo so ɔmo East Lagos me misi mi dan 1999 2000 meyɛ press secretary nyɛ na mete East Lagos ɔhɔ na mete at that time from my sweat and toil from my dwumaden Nyankopɔn de kyerɛ me as a civil engineering consultant na me tio na etimi twa trɔ to me so sɛ kaa me makɔtɔ me hɔ a mekɔ Tamale no kaa no abim na me tio so who pictures na sɛ Land Cruiser na me Land Cruiser na konya accident na ayɛ write off na ma yɛ ne kakra free kwa na ma start tua ne kakra yes yɛn cancer mo nto no so me yire a ɔno ɔyɛ lecturer up to now sisi ɔyɛ director of global education or Unimac ɔno kɔ no school 2012 ana males yɛ president na yɛtimi abopɔ yɛn sɛ me yɛsɛ NDC for na ama me package na sɛ mba akwisi obi sɛ ɔbɛtɔn ne ho ama ɛbɛyɛ Kwabena Agyapong na the mon kai history of this country June 30th judges me nsa omu during PNDC time yɛkɔkye o manajuku ya na nka me papa sɛ me yesa na me papa na oda amenemu a every year me de flower ɔkɔto no so na de asɛm na me ka kyerɛ nso yes yen say nipa no nti no ya ka sɛ mo na party fo ni bia jedi that time ma hyehyɛ bibia ma ya primaries fefefe in one day we handled over 251 primaries they been Ghana sada at one go nti binim sɛ bibia me mpɛsɛ me sorry na ko de na ye victory nim sɛ 2016 ebe boy man carry party ne ho donti wow me tifie kra no me san di sika kakra support constituencies ni bebree you know evidence no so intermediate party no na mepe me som party no Sana
I Kwabena Agyapong wabreye make I say before the 2000 election me aging be mo City Rock osu papa me tell me to no wabreye papa but people thought he was a mole in the end because a mola obi asabe or an informant in the NPP. Whether it's true or not, me I don't know. But not say enye no cry. Or say nani na great agenda to discredit him. But Agyapong Kwabena Agyapong ya me hu say other party ni paye. Prior to the 2024 election, and was here the ko na busua nyina. Or say I will still work for the NPP. It's only he was campaigning for the NPP. That's strange. Sawu Pobia or a true NPP. Kwabena Agyapong untimini ehinu ntonchen. Entiana was one also pray because akunya ka pray. But as to Kwabena Agyapong obenya no and say problem. And I will tell you just as I did for General Mosquito chairman. Kwabena Agyapong seemed to have a posture that is arrogance. Mekaso arrogance seems to have a posture of arrogance. Sa posture no Ghana form pe. I don't want to say he has fine looks, he's young. He has youth mentality and the anchor plus. I didn't say to even make sure say on one for no ever because people still see him with what double face. Say okay, any was NPP, but to me, he's a true NPP, no doubt. The last one, and you say he was perceived to be an Alan candidate, sort of. And the Negra Chemantia Fimudia, Obia Baba, some perception will be an NPP for Metro. But me, be a bit messy. I Xposed HFM subscribe share. Me the 2 man now was be manuals.